What if my way of being is so calm that she misinterprets it as me not caring or being indifferent? Mastering the calm. Stability versus indifference. The psychological root of the problem. To solve this, we must understand that calmness and indifference look identical if they lack a foundation of emotional connection. In the context of the traffic light framework, your way of being is likely a misinterpretation because you may be applying red light phase logic, which is stability or withdrawal, during a time when you should be in the yellow light phase, which is connection and warmth. If you are calm even when she is showing high interest, it feels like you aren't meeting her emotionally. To avoid this, you must use the phases strategically so your calm is seen as strength, not apathy. Step guide to being magnetically calm. Step 1. Build a warmth baseline. Before you can be calm without being indifferent, you must first prove you can care. Use the yellow light phase techniques, practice active listening, and give personal compliments. If she knows you are capable of deep way, your quiet moments will be seen as composed presence rather than a lack of interest. Step 2. Distinguish stable calm from passive calm. Passive calm, or being indifferent, is when you wait for her to do everything. You don't react to her stories, you don't share your own, and you never show any way or passion. This feels like a lack of care. Stable calm, or being magnetic, is when you are present, you listen deeply, and you show warmth, but you do not chase. You stay relaxed even when the conversation is intense. This makes her feel safe, not ignored. Step 3. Use responsive warmth to validate her. If she reaches out, such as a test or genuine effort, you must respond with warmth rather than staying too quiet. If she asks a question, don't just give a short, calm answer, give a meaningful answer that shows you are engaged. The rule is, be warm when she reaches out, and be calm when she pulls back. The biggest mistake. The biggest mistake is being calm regardless of the emotional climate. If you apply your way of being, even when she's putting in a lot of effort or being vulnerable, you fail to reward her investment. This causes her to feel that her efforts are going unnoticed, which triggers a red light phase where she begins to pull back because she feels you aren't actually interested. Personal advice for a mastered presence. The golden rule: be warm enough to show care, but calm enough to show self-respect. A simple rule to remember: calmness without warmth equals coldness or indifference. Warmth without calmness equals neediness or desperation. The key truth: women do not fall in love with men who are constantly chasing. They fall in love with men who are able to stay grounded while providing a safe emotional space. The formula for magnetic stability: deep listening plus meaningful compliments minus overreacting or chasing equals unshakable presence.